So I'm driving down the highway a couple of weeks ago in the 1985 Buick LeSabre Diesel, and out of the corner of my eye, at 65 miles an hour, I see this. Naturally, I had to slam on the brakes, go make a U-turn, and find out what the story was. Well, the story was, it was for sale. And how do you resist that? It was a one-owner up until January, when somebody else bought it and brought it back to life after having sat for about 4 years not running. 1980 Oldsmobile 98 Regency 350 diesel with 135,000 miles on it. Extremely well documented. There's a log in it literally of every time it was ever filled up, miles per gallon calculated, location, time, all maintenance. And the maintenance has been very little. It's on its third injector pump as of January, which is to be expected. Otherwise, it's had a water pump and a transmission rebuild at 120,000, I believe, or somewhere around there. The engine itself has never been cracked open. You can tell that by looking at it. You can tell that by the maintenance records. And that is believed to be verified. 1980, of course, was the D block, the original block for the engine. And this production was 1980 of January, which was before the mid-year head bolt improvement. So yes, that means that we have 135,000 miles on an original engine, torque to yield head bolts of the original design, with proper care and maintenance, and it runs beautifully. Does not burn oil. A few minor oil seeps underneath, as is common for these. But it received extremely good care. There was a car cover. There was a tennis ball with a slit cut in it that was placed over the hood ornament when the car cover was on it to protect the hood ornament. And you can look at it and tell that it worked. It's very well loaded. It has, again, like my Blue 81, the rare gauge package. Pull that key out. 8-track player. Air conditioning I still have to charge. It should work once it does, though. All the controls work. A couple of odd things that, although it's loaded with things like Twilight Sentinel and all that, they didn't bother ordering the trip odometer. You know, probably saved 11 bucks or something there. But anyway, the days of a la carte ordering, you could get whatever you wanted. It's obviously white. The vinyl top is light camo metallic. It is original. It looks like it just rolled off the assembly line. It's starting to rain, so I'm going to hurry here. But we'll crank it up real quick, let you take a peek under the hood. And there it is. Untouched, unopened, 1980 D block. Original head bolts, original gaskets, 2 injector pumps, and that's it. So like I said, how do you pass that up? And it's now part of the collection. "40 years, 135,000 miles later, absolutely beautiful."